Dropshipping, for those completely new to the concept, is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means you never have to worry about warehousing, inventory management, or shipping logistics. Your main focus is on marketing, sales, and customer service. Sounds simple, but there are a lot of moving parts. One of the biggest challenges for new dropshippers is finding reliable suppliers and quality products. This is where platforms like Spocket come into play. They aim to simplify this process by connecting you with a curated list of suppliers, primarily based in the US and Europe. This is a crucial distinction, and we'll talk about why that matters shortly. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of Spocket and see if it truly offers the value it promises. First, let's talk about the product quality and supplier vetting. This is often a major pain point for dropshippers using platforms like AliExpress, where product quality can be a gamble. Spocket tries to solve this by emphasizing high-quality products and vetting its suppliers. They conduct interviews, assess business operations, and track records to ensure a certain standard. What this means for you, the new dropshipper, is potentially fewer headaches with returns and more satisfied customers. You're less likely to receive complaints about flimsy items or products that don't match their descriptions. Many users report positive experiences with the quality of products sourced through Spocket, which is a huge plus for building a reputable brand from day one. Next, let's address shipping times. This is where Spocket really shines, especially compared to platforms that rely heavily on suppliers from China. The majority of Spocket's suppliers are located in the US and Europe. This drastically reduces shipping times. We're talking typical delivery windows of 2 to 7 business days within the US and Europe, and sometimes even 1 to 3 days for local suppliers. For your customers, faster shipping means a better experience and a higher likelihood of repeat business. In today's instant gratification world, long shipping times are a major deterrent for online shoppers. As a new dropshipper, providing quick delivery can give you a significant competitive edge. However, this focus on US and EU suppliers comes with a trade-off: product pricing and profit margins. Products on Spocket tend to be priced higher than those you might find on AliExpress. While the quality and faster shipping often justify this higher cost, it's something you need to factor into your pricing strategy. You might find your profit margins are slightly lower on a per-item basis compared to sourcing from cheaper alternatives. Spocket does offer premium products that claim up to 60% profit margins, and they also allow for branded invoicing, which helps with building your brand identity. You'll need to carefully calculate your selling price to ensure you're still making a healthy profit after considering product cost, shipping fees, and any marketing expenses. They also offer tools to help you set pricing rules, which is helpful. Now, let's talk about ease of use and integrations. For new dropshippers, a user-friendly platform is paramount. Spocket is generally praised for its intuitive interface and seamless integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix. Importing products to your store is often a one-click process, and they provide features like real-time inventory updates and automated order fulfillment. This level of automation can save you a lot of time and reduce the potential for errors, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in manual tasks. They also offer a feature to order product samples, which is fantastic for verifying quality before you commit to selling. What about product variety? While Spocket focuses on quality over sheer quantity, they still offer a wide range of products across various niches. You'll find everything from home and garden items to tech accessories, beauty products, and clothing. The ability to filter by shipping time, supplier location, and even winning products, which are supposed to be bestsellers, can help you find profitable items quickly. Let's not forget about customer support. As a new dropshipper, you're bound to have questions and encounter challenges. Spocket offers 24/7 chat and email support. While some users have reported mixed experiences, with a few mentioning slow or impersonal responses, many have also praised their support team for being responsive and helpful. The availability of consistent support is vital when you're navigating the complexities of a new business. Finally, the cost. Spocket operates on a subscription model with various pricing plans. They do offer a free plan that allows you to browse their catalog, But to actually add products to your store and fulfill orders, you'll need a paid plan. Their starter plan begins at around $24 per month, billed annually, or $39.99 per month, billed monthly, offering a limited number of products. Higher tiers like Professional, Empire, and Unicorn unlock more products and features, with prices going up significantly. For a new dropshipper, this monthly fee is an overhead cost you need to consider. However, if the benefits of higher quality, faster shipping, and ease of use translate into more sales and happier customers, the investment could certainly be worth it. They often offer a 14-day free trial on their paid plans, which is a great way to test the waters before committing. So, back to our initial question. Is Spocket worth it for new dropshippers? Here's my take. Spocket presents a compelling option for new dropshippers, especially those who prioritize product quality, faster shipping, and a streamlined operational experience. If your goal is to build a brand known for reliable products and quick delivery, Spocket can be a powerful ally. It mitigates many of the common risks associated with dropshipping, like long shipping times and inconsistent product quality, which can quickly erode customer trust and lead to a failed business. However, if your primary concern is finding the absolute cheapest products with the highest potential profit margins, and you're willing to navigate the complexities and potential risks of sourcing from platforms like AliExpress, then Spocket might feel a bit pricey. You'll need to do your due diligence in product research and profitability calculations regardless of the platform you choose. For beginners, the ease of use and the reduction in potential headaches from supplier issues could easily outweigh the higher product costs. It allows you to focus on the crucial aspects of building your business marketing, sales, and customer relationships without getting bogged down by fulfillment nightmares. Think of Spocket as a quality-of-life upgrade for your dropshipping business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.